Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm excited to introduce you to the transparent TPU case by Humixx. This is for the Galaxy S22 series phone, and it's a very simple case that is really clear, allows the beauty of the phone to shine through, and offers protection as well without adding bulk. Very slim fit case. This is it. Again, it is a TPU case, very flexible, very nice grip. This is really quick, give it the crystal clear test. Let's hold it up because it is a transparent case, and you can take a look at my hand through that. You're looking through the case right now at my hand, and you can see crystal clear, which means it'll allow the beauty of the phone to shine through. You've got the right cutouts and places for buttons and things. But of course, what you really need to do is see it on the phone. Before we do that, though, I do want to show you real quick. There we go. Air pockets. Check that out. See those air pockets? So your corners are protected. Most dangerous spot to drop a phone is on the corner. And you've got air pockets on all four corners just to make sure your phone is protected. I've got the Galaxy S22 here. We're going to pop that case on there. And you can see, very simple case, crystal clear, allows the beauty that this is the black, sort of a slick black finish on this phone. But whatever color you get, it's going to show through very nicely with this case on it because it is such a clear phone. You can see the Samsung logo without any problem at all. Also has the right place for the buttons, so easy access to your buttons without any problem. You've got cutout on the top here. I think that's the microphone up there. You've got a nice slightly raised bumper around the camera, so it will protect your camera lenses. And then looking here on the bottom, you've got the cutouts here for the speaker, for your Type-C charging port there. And then I think possibly another microphone off to the side there. And you've got all the appropriate cutouts for that. So well designed, very simple case, nice grip with that TPU material, nice and clear, non-yellowing, but also will protect your phone. Doesn't add a lot of bulk, easy to hold in your hand, but you've got protection reinforced in the corners through those little air bubbles, and then just all the way around, and with the slight raised edge around the camera, and also around the front of the screen to protect the screen if you're laying it flat. So yeah, everything that you would want in a very nice, simple case, you've got it here. It allows you to enjoy the beauty of your phone and be protected without adding any bulk, and still being able to hold it easily without any problems at all, and all access to all the buttons and the ports. So really, really excellent case, transparent TPU case by Humixx, and definitely a case that I would recommend for the S22. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel or favorite this playlist if you want to keep up with future product reviews. And if you have any questions, post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer as quickly as I can. That's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.